Ford is rolling out 7 important updates to the 2026 Super Duty that address real customer needs while reinforcing its dominance in the heavy-duty segment. Let's check them out. Number 7. Tremor gets standard output diesel. For years, buyers wanting a Tremor off-road package faced a tough choice. You could get the 7.3-liter Godzilla Gas V8 or Spring for the expensive high-output 6.7-liter Powerstroke diesel. Nothing in between existed, leaving a gap for those who wanted diesel torque without paying the premium for maximum output. That gap is closing for 2026. The Tremor package is now available with the standard output 6.7-liter Powerstroke diesel, delivering 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque. This creates the perfect middle ground between the Godzilla's raw power and the high-output diesel's extreme capability. Think about crawling over boulders on a remote trail or maintaining momentum through deep mud. What you need isn't maximum horsepower, it's massive torque available right off idle. The standard output diesel provides exactly that, with serious twists for off-road work while costing thousands less than the high-output version. The Tremor already comes with lifted suspension, upgraded shocks, and all-terrain tires, transforming into a true off-road workhorse that can tackle trails all day and tow equipment back to base. For contractors who need off-road capability combined with work-grade towing, this combination hits the sweet spot. But powertrain options mean nothing if you can't get the truck configuration that fits your specific work requirements. Number 6. More configurations on offer. Ford has been listening to customer feedback, and one request kept coming up: a super cab with a short bed. For 2026, that configuration is finally arriving, and it's going to change the game for specific types of buyers. The new Super Cab short bed configuration rides on a 148-inch wheelbase and pairs the extended cab design with a 6.75-foot bed. This setup creates a truck that's easier to maneuver than a crew cab while still offering rear seating for occasional passengers. Picture yourself navigating a crowded construction site where every inch matters, or trying to parallel park on a narrow city street. A full crew cab can turn these everyday situations into stress-inducing challenges. The Super Cab short bed solves this by cutting overall length while maintaining the towing muscle you need. The shorter wheelbase makes tight turns possible and improves maneuverability in confined spaces where longer trucks simply don't fit. Towing capacity remains uncompromised. This configuration can still pull massive trailers and handle heavy loads, making it perfect for equipment operators who prioritize capability over passenger comfort. Having the right cab configuration helps, but if you're spending serious money on a work truck, the interior features matter just as much. Number 5. Lariat Premium Package. The middle-level Lariat trim is getting an upscale treatment for 2026 with the new Lariat Premium Package that bundles popular features into one comprehensive upgrade. Available exclusively on Lariat Crew Cab 4-wheel drive models equipped with the 6.7-liter Powerstroke, the premium package significantly elevates the truck's luxury and technology. Ford Copilot 362.0 brings advanced driver assistance features that make daily driving less stressful. Running boards improve accessibility, addressing complaints about heavy-duty trucks' tall ride heights. We've all been there, trying to back up to a trailer hitch in the dark, making multiple attempts while your crew watches. The frustration builds with each failed attempt, and you're wasting time that could be spent working. Pro Trailer Hitch Assist becomes invaluable here, automatically guiding the truck into perfect alignment on the first try. Pro Trailer Backup Assist makes reversing with a trailer nearly foolproof, allowing you to control trailer direction with a simple knob. This package transforms the Lariat into a near-luxury work truck that doesn't compromise capability. For owner-operators who spend long hours in their trucks, these upgrades pay dividends in reduced fatigue. Premium features are great, but they're worthless if the engine can't deliver maximum performance. Number 4. Class-leading powertrain. The Super Duty's engine lineup remains unmatched in the heavy-duty segment. 4 distinct powertrains give buyers unprecedented choice based on their specific needs. The base 6.8-liter V8 produces 405 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque, providing serious capability at the entry level. Step up to the 7.3-liter Godzilla V8, and you're getting 430 horsepower and 485 pound-feet. This naturally aspirated beast delivers linear power and legendary durability. Fleet operators particularly appreciate the Godzilla's simplicity. Fewer complex components mean lower maintenance costs. The 6.7-liter Powerstroke diesel V8 comes in 2 configurations. The standard output version delivers 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque. The high-output version cranks everything up to 500 horsepower and 1,200 pound-feet of torque. That's semi-truck territory in a pickup package. No competitor offers this level of powertrain diversity. Chevrolet and GMC rely heavily on their Duramax diesel with limited gas options. Ram offers strong engines but can't match the variety or peak torque figures. Of course, all that power means nothing if you can't put it to work. Number 3. Towing excellence. Maximum towing capacity reaches 40,000 pounds with a gooseneck hitch configuration. That's 20 tons of pulling power that rivals commercial trucks costing far more. Fifth wheel setups handle 35,000 pounds, while conventional hitching manages 30,000 pounds. Imagine pulling a loaded equipment trailer down the highway, constantly wondering if you're overweight or if the tongue weight is properly distributed. That uncertainty creates anxiety and potential legal problems if you're stopped at a weigh station. Onboard scales with Smart Hitch eliminates this worry by monitoring payload and trailer tongue weight in real time. The system alerts you if weight distribution needs adjustment. You get peace of mind knowing your load is legal and safe without extra trips to truck stops for weighing. Pro Trailer Backup Assist 2.0 turns reversing nightmares into simple tasks. Turn a knob to indicate the direction you want the trailer to go, and the truck handles all steering automatically. Trailer navigation factors in your trailer's exact dimensions and weight when calculating routes, avoiding low bridges, weight-restricted roads, or tight turns. Payload capacity maxes out at 8,000 pounds. The combination of extreme towing and payload numbers makes the Super Duty the ultimate work machine for contractors, farmers, and anyone who needs to move heavy loads regularly. But there's one aspect buyers often overlook: whether it actually looks the part. Number 2. Rugged and stylish. The Super Duty's design language communicates capability before you even read the badge. The massive front grille provides the airflow these powerful engines demand while making an unmistakable statement about the truck's purpose. Proportions are perfect for a heavy-duty truck. The long hood houses those massive engines, while the tall stance provides ground clearance needed for serious work. Flared fenders accommodate the wide track and massive tires that contribute to stability when towing or hauling heavy loads. Every design element serves a functional purpose. Available tow hooks are rated for serious recovery work. The bed features multiple tie-down points and available LED lighting for working after dark. The Tremor off-road package takes aggressive styling further with lifted suspension, larger tires, and unique badging. Ford offers both traditional work truck colors and premium finishes that rival luxury vehicles. LED lighting technology is standard across the lineup. The overall design strikes a perfect balance between intimidating capability and professional refinement. This truck looks equally at home on a construction site or parked in front of a high-end restaurant. The design is timeless rather than trendy, ensuring the Super Duty will age gracefully. Good looks matter, but what really determines whether a truck is worth keeping long-term comes down to one critical factor. Number 1. Strong reliability score. The current generation Super Duty is building on Ford's decades-long reputation for heavy-duty durability. These trucks are engineered for hundreds of thousands of miles of hard use, and real-world results back up that engineering focus. The 7.3-liter Godzilla Gas V8 has earned particular praise for its reliability. The naturally aspirated design means fewer complex components to fail. Fleet operators report excellent durability even under daily abuse, with engines routinely reaching high mileage without major issues. The 6.7-liter Power-stroke diesel has proven itself over multiple generations. Ford has continuously refined this engine, addressing early issues and improving durability. The latest version benefits from years of development and real-world testing. Consider what downtime actually costs your business. Every day your truck sits in the shop is a day you're not making money, not completing jobs, and potentially losing customers. The Super Duty's reputation for reliability means your truck stays on the job instead of the service bay. Fleet operators consistently report minimal downtime even with trucks running demanding routes day after day. That reliability translates directly to profitability. You're investing in a business tool that shows up for work every single day. The 2026 Ford Super Duty represents thoughtful evolution rather than revolutionary change, and that's exactly what the heavy-duty segment needs. From expanding Tremor diesel options and adding the Super Cab short bed configuration to bundling premium features in the Lariat premium package, Ford is addressing real customer feedback. The unmatched powertrain lineup, class-leading towing capabilities backed by advanced technology, timeless design, and legendary reliability create a truck that will remain competitive for years to come. But keep in mind that the competition is offering some pretty serious setups as well. Starting from the 2026 Ram 2500 you can check out in our next video. If you think that numbers are the only thing that matters, this truck will prove you wrong. Because the way you handle the job is often more important than the max ratings, and that's where Ram's pickup outshines every rival.